Have you ever dreamt of bringing yourself, your videos, or any image to life through the magic of animation? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to a journey of endless possibilities as we delve into the captivating realm of animation. Join me as we unlock the secrets to animating yourself, your videos, and any image with ease and finesse. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and watch as your creations come alive before your very eyes. So grab your imagination, buckle up, and let's embark on this exhilarating adventure together. Get ready to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's time to animate like never before.
Now, the first site we are going to look at is called LensGo. To begin, just type and search LensGo on Google and select the first option. We are going to look at two ways on how to use LensGo. The first one is how to animate an image, and the second way is how to animate a video. Let's begin. To animate an image, select on the Create Image tab. You will be required to create an account using your Google account or sign in using your email. Note: one is given 100 credit each month and it costs 2 credit for each image generated. Select on the Create an Image icon. You can select the image dimension and number of images according to your liking. Next, select on the model icon and choose the type of style for your animation. Next, select on the Upload Image icon and upload your desired image. After the image has uploaded, choose the type of style for your animation. I have chosen Pixar style. On the bottom of the page, there's a box or section to input your prompts. I have typed the word cinematic and highly detailed, then click Generate. Amazing! These are the beautiful final results of the generated images using Pixar style, and here's a copy of the original image to compare. You can select on the View icon to enlarge the image. You can also change the type of style for your animation. Just select on the model icon and select another style to animate your image. For instance, let's select the vintage style, then click on the Generate icon. Amazing! These are the beautiful output results of the generated images using vintage style, and here's a copy of the original image to compare. You can select on the View icon to enlarge the image. Or select on the Download icon to download your image. Now we have looked at how to animate an image. Now the second way we are going to look at is how to animate a video. Let's begin. Just click on the LensGo tab and click on the Try It Now icon. Then choose the type of style for your animation. I have chosen JoJo style. Then select on the Upload Video icon and upload your desired video. Here's the original video uploaded. Lastly, click Generate. After a few minutes, you can see we have the video. Let's play the video to see the output. Amazing! This is the beautiful final results of the generated video. Now the second site we are going to look at is called Go Enhance. Your all-in-one AI video production platform, making video creation simpler than ever with Go Enhance AI. It is a video to animation platform. It allows one to transform videos into a variety of animated styles, including pixel and flat anime, enhance and upscale images to extreme. To begin, just type and search Go Enhance on Google and select the first option. Then click on the Try on Go Enhance for Free tab and select on the Video to Video icon. Next, choose the type of style for your animation. I have chosen Pixar style. Then select on the Upload Video icon and upload your desired video. In the free version, you can only upload videos which are 5 minutes long. To convert videos which are more than that, one has to subscribe to their paid plan. Lastly, click on the Generate tab icon. After a few minutes, you can see we have the video. Let's play the video to see the output. Amazing! This is the beautiful final results of the generated video. Now you can click on Download tab to get your video and save it.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.